Today at the machine shop was the one day out of maybe 60 to 90 days around here ever that it was actually free of wind. So I grabbed my red slow stick and I decided to see if I could fly it with a standard def video camera attached to it in that cradle with the blue protective foam underneath that you can see there. Now this actually worked quite well. The slow stick can easily lift a standard def or high def camcorder. Just didn't want to risk flying my high def camcorder, so I put an old standard def on the plane just for fun. This did work quite well, as the flight I'm about to show went well. Decent takeoff, perfect landing. Hopefully I'll get another wind-free day sometime this summer to try out this plane and shoot some more video from it. That's what I wanted.